Sidley Austin app. The pros, the cons. If you're a client or employee of Sidley Austin, the app promises to make legal research, case management and communication easier, but is it worth using? One of the biggest pros is accessibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming legal apps are overly complicated. Sidley Austin's app allows users to track cases, access important documents, and communicate securely with attorneys directly from their mobile device. It's especially useful for clients who need updates on ongoing legal matters without waiting for emails or calls. Document management is another advantage. You can view, download, or share key files securely, reducing the need for printing or sending sensitive information through unsecured channels. Push notifications alert you to important deadlines, updates, or changes in your case, keeping you informed in real time. However, there are cons. Some users report that advanced features are limited to desktop, making complex legal research or analytics difficult on mobile. The app can occasionally be slow when loading large documents or case files, and the interface may feel less intuitive for first-time users. In conclusion, the Sidley Austin app is ideal for clients and employees who want secure, convenient access to legal information on the go. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines communication and basic case management, serious legal work often still requires the desktop platform. For anyone seeking a secure, mobile-friendly way to stay informed about cases and legal matters, this app provides a practical, easy-to-use solution while complementing the full desktop experience.